Unbind CMS is now available in Finsweet Extension, a powerful way to duplicate collection lists without any CMS bindings. Go to the Webflow Apps panel and open Finsweet Extension. Select Unbind CMS from the menu. As the prompt suggests, select a collection list. Open the navigator and expand the structure to find and select the element. Back in the extension, confirm that the selected element appears in the Element to Unbind field, and then click Unbind. Nice! The element and all of its children have been duplicated and fully unbound from the CMS. Notice that due to current Webflow API limitations, component props, code embeds, and certain built-in component settings cannot be copied automatically and may require manual review. And there we go. All elements have been recreated correctly and are now fully static. We're just getting started. What features do you want in your workflow? We're building them as fast as the Webflow API lets us. Drop your ideas in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.